Okay, no catalyst sometimes. A little. Start it, bitch.
What the fuck? What's going on, guys? This is your boy SvperDvperAlex here with another video. And today we're gonna be getting exhaust on the motherfucking Z's. Tired of dual, about to go single. And we have a special guest.
Bro, I'm so awkward, bro. What's up?
Hey, it's okay, he's a little gay, guys.
So yeah, if you haven't seen them, this is my Z, 2007, 350, and then this is Alexis is 2008, both HRs.
Piece of shit D in the back.
It'll still got both of us, but it's cool.
But
I don't know about both of us, but yeah.
nah, it's pretty even with him. I think we're even. I don't think we can say we got each other.
It's just whoever drives better, I feel like.
Hey, my clutch is working good now, though. I changed everything.
We'll go again right now. Oh wait, you're not driving it, huh?
No. That's 3 Z's? No, that's too much.
That's a lot.
3 Z's, you can fit like 4 people.
I think.
So what, are you gonna do it? Are you?
Yeah, alright, so we're gonna show you guys the before and afters. Here's the cold start. This is all stock.
Well, mine's cold start.
Yeah. This is a hot start, by the way. Rev it up a little bit, just a little bit. Alright. This is an HR, by the way, too.
Popping, bro.
It pops a little.
This is cold start.
This is Alex's car hasn't been turned on, so this is an actual cold start. But they sound the same. Not when you rev it though. Rev it a little bit. Oh, they do sound different. Alright. So we're about to go. Oh, hold on. Alright, so we're about to go to the exhaust shop. We're about to go to our boys, Joseph's garage. And they always hooks it up. So he's gonna go single exit, and he's gonna go single exit also. It's just gonna be, they're basically just gonna be from the white pipe back. It's gonna be a single pipe with a, it's not a real Tommy, but it's gonna look like it. It's gonna be the me because it's not a Tommy. But alright, so we're about to cruise there to the shop, and we'll show y'all once we get there. Maybe we'll show y'all a little bit of the work they do there. But yeah, we'll see you guys there. Hey, show them your exhaust, bro. Show them your exhaust. Oh, fuck.
Sponsor us.
Bro, is this Selena?
Are we going single?
Hey, show them the exhaust. Show them the exhaust. Oh, fuck. That shit looks nice, bro.
Is that one angled too?
Yeah, it's all it's angled.
Oh, they are.
Out here at Joseph's garage.
The one.
Hey, hit him up, bro. Hit him up.
Should I just put this one?
Hey, Alex is gonna be the first one to go up.
Hello?
It's like. What? Yeah.
Keep going, nigga. It has to hit the back. You won't fall off. Chill.
It hits the bumper or the wheel?
Is that a slash?
Yeah, he needs to get new ones.
Holy fuck.
What?
You drive like that, nigga? You're retarded.
So this is the stock exhaust. It's all stock.
Ah, qué verga, pues dile que te mande una foto a ver qué le hicimos por abajo.
Well,
y faro.
take this. This whole thing off has to
Si
go.
quitas este nomás, te va a salir ruido y te va a hacer bonito el ruido porque este te trabaja como resonador. Es un muffler, pero a fin de cuentas es para bajar ruido.
Sí.
Pero te lo regula. Si quitas todo esto, te va a hacer más ruido. Se oye bien también porque de todos modos la máquina está acelerada y trae catalíticos, o sea que
I think Dale just
si
took the
quieres
muffler
ruido,
off. No?
hay que quitar todo de una vez para que después no andes con que
I don't think Dale took this off, did
tiene
he?
más ruido.
He did?
I think so.
Oh shit.
Hey, Dylan.
No, o si no quieres que se haga mucho, que se haga
Hey,
suave,
when you did your
hay que
exhaust,
sacar este primero.
did you delete the...
Alex's car is on the lift. Getting the work done. We'll show y'all once it's done. Fuck, that looks sick. Hey, stay tuned, stay tuned. Don't skip through the vlog, don't be gay. Alright. We'll show y'all in a bit. So here we're mocking up Alex's exhaust.
Like that? I think like that.
Damn, that shit looks clean.
Yeah, like Your that. preference, man. Yep. You want,
I think like that, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the type.
Damn, I'm excited about it. Yeah, yours is gonna look so trash.
This thing.
You guys gotta
Yeah,
fucking
like
kill
that
each other's vibes, bro. I hate you.
It's not even that low.
Yeah.
El alignment está por aquel lado.
And that shit looks good.
Hola.
Copa Cristo. Guys, say what up.
What's up, what's up? Damn, only one of these niggas know how to shake me.
This shit does look sick. Oh, fuck.
Yeah, I don't know. I've been driving like that for a while now.
Nah, bro, fuck it, told me. Get up Joseph's garage.
That shit won't hit.
Yeah, I will. Hit.
Yeah, ahorita estaba ahí, te va a estar diciendo.
Hey, you're next, bitch.
Ponlo ahí de frente, mira la rampa esa.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Hey, Alex, count down.
Just start it.
Fuck, it sounds good. Nah, it sounds good though.
Hey, you have to forget, after a while it'll burn into the system and then have a silencer.
Oh, that sounds good.
Pops like crazy.
Yeah, take it off the lid.
Wait, hold up. Where's the resonator?
Alright, you go. So this is stock right here. Alright, and here's after the install. Hit it. Nah, bruh. That's it.
That's the one, bro.
That's the one. Oh, I love the pops.
3,000 is a pop.
Hey, Alex, you wanna go put this shit on the ramp? Because I don't want this nigga to be like, or my dad fucking complaining about how this nigga can't drive it.
Number 2. It's up to you, bruh.
Wait, what do you want to do? I need to hear it. What do you want to do?
He's over there. Go hear it. He's about to put it into the garage.
What do you want to do different?
So here it is. It's done. I think it looks fucking beautiful. Hit up Joseph's garage for that clean ass exhaust. Fuck! Rev it, rev it, rev it. Sounds perfect.
When you rev it,
Is that a Tommy, dog? Fuck. Hey, who did the exhaust, bro?
Oh yeah, pull it for this, bro.
Bro, hey, if y'all in Phoenix, hit up this shop right here, Arizona Mufflers. Bro, they do some clean ass work.
Are you gonna get it from the back or?
Yeah.
Hey, you guys ready?
Start that shit.
3, 2, 1.
Stalls.
It sounds.
Holy shit.
This shit is loud. Damn. Eh? See?
You're good.
Still on the thing, so be careful. Oh, I can't move. Move your fucking car off.
Yeah, here. How this shit?
Bro, it sounds fucking good. The pops are beautiful. I just go solo because you're still on the tablas. Lucky this one.
Okay, no cat, this one sounds a little.
Oh, I just love the pop, bro. They sound a little different. Yours sounds a little better, low key.
You're good.
Still on the thing, so be careful. Oh, I can't move. Move your fucking car off.
Yeah, here. How this shit?
Bro, it sounds fucking good. The pops are beautiful. I just go solo because you're still on the tablas. Lucky this one.
Okay, no cat, this one sounds a little.
Oh, I just love the pop, bro. They sound a little different. Yours sounds a little better, low key.
Hey, not that. It's a neutral, right? Yeah.
Bro, it looks so good.
So fucking nice.
Look at it from here. Hey, turn off the music before we get copyrighted.
I'll put some SoundCloud music so we don't get fucking.
Yeah, nigga?
Done.
So, you gonna pay for that copyright strike?
Put this on YouTube, I'll fucking sue the shit out of both of you.
Alright. So we finished both of the cars. Here they are. We did a bumper tuck, single exit, and then the Supreme toe strap.
We all have Powerade over there.
We did both cars. Oh goddamn, they look good. I think that's where we're gonna end this video. I know we didn't really talk much. These guys are faggots, but
Hey, I haven't even gotten one. Oh my.
No, you're not gonna get one with that.
Yeah. Oh. Who's gonna do the outro?
Oh shit. Hold on.
What's the David's vlog?
Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more dope ass content. And stay tuned for the next video.
Next time we're tuning him.
Oh
shit.
Now I need to get a job at QT.
Alright, well, I'll catch y'all on the next one.